Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should swipe to the left side ringtone volume panel with your finger, and that's it. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should press the volume up or down button, that doesn't matter, and then click here on the three dots, and after that just we will see the ringtone and notification volume panel, and we should slide it to the down, and by this way we just can mute ringtone volume on our XIAOMI Redmi device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.